Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about the black hole. Apparently, according to the new discovery by the astronomers, NASA, European Space Agency, apparently the black hole is in fact spinning. We're going to go now to the presentation. Now, is the black hole spinning? Well, astronomers have discovered that the M87's black hole and its tail is in fact rotating. Now, as you can see on the infrared photos, it clearly shows that um, the tail of the black hole is in fact spinning. You can see on the 2013, 2014, all the way up to 2017, 2018. And on the last photo, you can see it's showing a line at the bottom right. Uh, it indicates that the tail is in fact 1 light years in this light years in um, you know. Sorry guys, I'm sure you guys know what I mean. Let's go to the next page here. So here you have um, on a graph, it shows that the black hole is in fact changing its angle in the last 20 years. I can't understand what K band and Q band means, but it definitely indicates that the black hole is in fact rotating a lot throughout the years. And you can even see on the infrared photos, like I described earlier, on its arrows, it's showing it's tilting upwards. In the middle is in the middle horizon, and on the right it's tilting down. Sorry, the line what I was supposed to mention earlier is in fact 1 light years long. The tail long. That's the word I was looking for, you guys. So I am so sorry. A lot of things are going on lately, so can't speak well properly. But I do apologise for that. Now let's go to the next page. You all know the black hole is rotating. So now we're going to talk about what is a black hole. Now, a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, including light or other electromagnetic waves, can escape from it. They are one of the most powerful and mysterious objects in our known universe. So we all know that the black hole is very mysterious object. It is found in the universe and it's so far away. We're going to talk about it later on in the video. You can see the details of the black hole. There's relativistic jet, acceleration disk, event horizon, and singularity. So these are the things we see on this artwork here, released by the European Space Agency. It's a very mysterious object, and when you fall into it, there is no turning back. Once you go in, like I said earlier, even the light cannot escape from the black hole. Once it's down, once it's in, cannot come out. So we're going to talk about the relativistic jet now on the outer layer, this stick we can see on this artwork here. Uh, relativistic jet is an astrophysical jet, is an astronomical phenomenon where outflows of ionized matter are emitted as extended beams along the axis of rotation. When this greatly accelerated matter in the beam approaches the speed of light, astrophysical jets become relativistic jets as they show effects from special activity. Now, as you can see on the artwork here, there's this black hole, jet, and tidal stream. Tidal stream is in fact the tail we shown earlier, indicating that the black hole is rotating. And of course, we have this relativistic jet, which is the long X-ray material in the universe. We have X-rays beamed along jet. We have optical infrared radio and light from shocked material. And of course, there's outflowing gas emits optical and UV light coming from the black hole region. And next, we're going to go to accretion disk. Now, accretion disk is the outer layer of the black hole. Uh, Black holes grow by consuming matter, a process scientists call accretion, and by merging with other black holes. A stellar mass black hole paired with a star may pull gas from it, and a supermassive black hole does the same from stars that stray too close. So you can see the artwork here clearly shows that the sun or whatever or a star is now beginning to get sucked in by the outer layers of the black hole. Um, like I said, once you get sucked in, there is no turning back from it. So next we got event horizon of a black hole is the point of no return. Now, as you can see on this artwork here, once you fall in, you can never turn back from it, no matter what it is, what what object it is, what radiation it is, or what electromagnetic it is. Um, Whatever goes in, it can never be returned again. So here it says anything that passes this point will be swallowed by the black hole and forever vanish from our known universe. At the event of horizon, the black hole's gravity is so powerful that no amount of mechanical force can overcome or counteract it. So, so whatever this is, whatever goes in, never comes out. You're done, finished, gone. So next, singularity. The singularity is the right at the center of the black hole. Uh, is the ultimate no man's land, a place where matter is compressed down to an infinitely tiny point and all conceptions of the time and space completely break down and it doesn't really exist anymore. Something has to replace the singularity, but we're not exactly sure what. So wherever goes, so according to this, even the time is actually gone, sucked in, and vanished forever. So this, and once it goes in, uh, something replaces it, but we're not exactly sure what it is that replaces the time. So it is quite it is quite a big thing, guys. Um, so next we're going to go to the real photo taken by the Event Horizon Telescope. Um, yeah, this is the telescope that took the real image of the black hole itself. It's not the one that is M87, but it is a black hole. We're going to bring it up now. Here it is. So this is the actual photo of a black hole taken from 2019. Uh, as you can see, it is wonderful. Um, the top is more darker than the bottom. Uh, we have the, hang on, so we have, of course, activation disk, relativistic jet, event horizon, and singularity, all pictured here. Um, again, this is a black hole. It's very far away. We're going to talk about it in just a minute, but I just wanted to say that taking the pictures of a black hole, something like this, is in fact amazing. Something that is in fact could be the end of time. According to Stephen Hawking, if you rotate around a black hole without getting sucked in, of course, if it's possible, um, if you spend about 1 year going around it, and then if you go all the way back to Earth, and he says it will be actually about 70 years in the future. 1 year gone where you're spinning around the black hole, but actually back in the Earth is actually 70 years gone because the time is based on gravity. The stronger the gravity is, the slower the time moves. But the weaker the gravity gets, the faster the time moves. It's quite um, weird, actually, this describing this, but um, yeah. So if you get close to the black hole, the time moves slower, which means for you, the time will move a lot quicker back on Earth, and it's yeah quite hard to believe actually, but science did prove that time is in fact based on gravity. So yeah, there you have on this. We're going to move on now. So how far is the black hole from Earth? Well, give me a sec. Sorry, something came up. Right. How far is the black hole from Earth? Well, the black hole from Earth, astronomers think that the nearest black hole to Earth is about 1,560 light years away. The nearest one. But is it? Well, according to the new discovery released only a week ago, that the nearest black hole could now be just 150 light years away. So that's very close, actually. Really close. Uh, I really hope that the black hole will not approach Earth, but if it does, we're obviously going to be buggered, of course. Um, the closest black hole to Earth was thought to be 1,560 light years away, but a new study suggests there could be one around 150 light years away. The black holes are some of the most powerful and mysterious objects in the known universe, as we said earlier, and They could be much more closer to Earth than previously thought. Um, well, actually, it was mentioned on 13th of September, but still very recently, not even a month yet. And so this is the artwork of a black hole comparing with our sun. Looks like it's about 3 times larger than the sun. So the black hole is actually big enough to swallow the entire solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And of course, dwarf planets like Pluto and um, yeah, a few other dwarf planets. I can't remember their name. Like Ceres. I know one's called Ceres. Um, yeah, but there's few more in our solar system, outer solar system, of course, and they're very small. That's why they're called dwarf planets. So yeah, that's all we know so far. The update of the black holes. Um, we know that uh, we know for the fact that the black hole is spinning around. Its gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it. If you fall in, you're gone forever, including the time. The time itself can go in and will never be seen again. We know the description of the black holes: the relativistic jet, accretion disk, event horizon, and singularity. If you want to review the video, you can rewind. We have relativistic jet, accretion disk, event horizon, singularity, and of course we have the picture of a black hole itself. I don't know if it's a Messier 87, but it is a black hole, we know so far. Uh, Apparently, this one that we're seeing right now is actually 55 million light years away from Earth. The one that we're seeing right now on the picture, 55 million light years away. So if you travel at the speed of light, it will take 55 million years to get there. So, so that's pretty far away. Um, But then we thought that the nearest one is 1,560 light years away. But now they think it could be 150 light years away. But we're not sure yet. No one knows how far the nearest black hole is. But we better pray that, well, to be honest with you guys, I don't really believe in God after reading all this universe things, science, and all that. So now I don't really believe in God, but if you guys want to pray, that's fine. Um, yeah, better hope that the black hole doesn't approach to our solar system or to our galaxy, because once it does, we're gonna get sucked in and we'll be gone forever, including the time itself, like I said earlier. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna stop the video now, but I'm going to keep giving more updates about the other things that's happening in our universe. Hopefully, something good, something more to enjoy. I'm very sorry that I can't explain things properly because we've got a lot of things going on, and I can't describe and I can't say what it is because it's yeah I can't. So So I'm sorry, I do apologise for all this. So very soon I'm going to give you more updates on the space and universe, maybe in our solar system, maybe in yeah, maybe if the other universe discovered, I'll give you guys update on that. Yeah, there you have it, guys. So take care and have a wonderful evening.